anything that we can imagine, there seems to be a market for right now. And that's really great for all of us to think about and dream about and use our creativity for as architects.
There's such a spectrum, and I'll cite sort of two examples. One was an existing 18-hole golf course up on the Columbia River in Washington State. It was a resort and conference center, and they were recognizing that their client base was sort of switching a bit, and they had some competition in their particular market. So they wanted to do a 9-hole par 3 short course and then an 18-hole putting course. So it was intended to be a good incubator for beginning golfers, families, moms, dads, kids, and then, a professional that's, again, attending the conference, and they can plug in an hour-and-a-half round and get back in and do their business. And the 18-hole putting course has been fabulous because it extends not just throughout the day, but into the evening. The tee markers we designed with drink holders, so you can kind of imagine that they were thrilled with the food and beverage aspect of it. But it's been very, very, very popular in that respect. And then at the somewhat other extreme is a private course in the Bay Area, Palo Alto Hills. In that sense, they needed a complete architectural reset, new bunkering, new greens, new tees. There's just such a wide variety of playgrounds, if you will.
One of our projects is actually working with the city of Westlake in Cleveland, Ohio. Unfortunately, it's one of the lowest rated public facilities in all of Ohio, but in a very nice community. And so they're looking at reimagining that facility and turning 27 holes of just simple executive golf into a 9-hole reversible golf course with a new practice facility, including nice double-ended range and all-weather hitting stations, big putting courses and short game areas for kids camps. And really it's going to cater to every type of golfer and non-golfer, which is really interesting.
We've done a 12-hole short course that is part of an amenity to a real estate project. We've done 6-hole short courses inside a driving range. In fact, we just finished one down at Santa Rosa Beach, and it is the sexiest little driving range you'll ever see, and they close it 2 days a week for the short course, and that's phenomenal. It's a great social way to have a good time and use the range a little bit differently.
We're still seeing turf reduction programs and new irrigation systems and other water saving, water harvesting, all of the above. And then as far as renovation in general, I think our members are continuing to see, every category: bunkers, greens, short course concepts, where you're maybe downsizing a 36 or a 27-hole facility and creating something new on the property. That's a trend that I think is here to stay.